one of the bloggers here in Ontario.
Yep.
He is my friend.
That's
Yeah. Well, that's too heavy.
That one's too heavy?
Yeah.
Okay. That better?
Yeah.
Yeah. So you're videotaping for?
Yeah.
Yeah. Someone at home?
Yeah.
There's someone in here videotaping.
Yeah. That's my friend. One of the bloggers here in Ontario.
Yep.
He is my friend.
That's
Yeah.
That looks nice.
Yeah.
I tried that a while ago.
Come here, guys. See my experience. Not just income, but experience, huh?
Okay, so I'm moving to your low back now.
Yeah.
So I want to know if this is better. This is medium. That's medium. This is low.
Yeah.
And this is heavy. Sorry, that's low. That's
That's
this
low.
is heavy. Which is better?
Yeah, that's fine.
The heavy?
Yeah.
Is that too heavy?
That's fine.
So this one, guys, we are here in Health Medica. So for those our co-workers who are willing to come here, please visit Health Medica, located at Victoria Street, for your relax,
Para matulog
muscle
ako.
relax. So come here for how many times? So that's a lot of progress. So that's why in our blog in Matadors TV, I can promote Health Medica to come.
So just relax.
So
Yeah.
especially our co-workers. So this is very helpful, guys, mga kapandisal.
Is that heavy there, or is that okay?
A little bit.
Later.
Yeah.
And in the other side, we have also our friend. This is Milkaya from Dumaguete. So he's doing, anong tawag yun, te? Laser. So laser
therapy.
Yeah, it's a laser therapy at the back side. So yan. Meron pa ba rito sa kabila, te? Wala na. So this is their office at so the one that do Cairo is Dr.Leeanne Virgin Ball, and this is Health Medica. So please come visit to Health Medica for massage therapy. This one. So we're gonna go outside. So here, Health Medica. That's the phone number, 519-749-2372. So this one, guys, Victoria Street. Mga kapandisal, short vlog for Health Medica. So dito kami nagpamasahe. So sa mga gustong magpunta dyan, punta lang kayo dito. So nakita naman niyo doon sa video natin, may contact number, gusto nilang tawagan. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Matadors TV.